You see a blinking light on a police officer's chest-mounted body cam and assume, good, I'm protected, it's recording. Not so fast. Blinking red isn't universal. In some models, blinking means standby. In others, solid red means recording. And some departments even turn the light off completely. And the truth is, it's not just the camera that decides what's recorded, it's the police who control it. The modern police body cam isn't just a video device, it's a data system. Companies like Axon, Motorola, and WatchGuard make the majority of them in the US, each with their own internal software and policies. Almost every body cam has two stages, buffering and recording. Buffering quietly saves the last 30 seconds before the officer hits record, but without sound. Only when recording is active does audio and full footage get captured. That little LED light, departments set the color, the blink, or even whether it shows at all. That means the transparency tool, we're told keeps everyone accountable, is built on terms written by the same people being recorded. Now let's talk laws. There is no single federal standard, it's all state or department policy. California requires officers to turn on body cams during all public interactions and to release certain footage within 45 days of a misconduct complaint. North Carolina, on the other hand, doesn't consider body cam video public record. You need a judge's order to see it. And in many states, the officer still decides when to activate or deactivate the camera. That means critical moments can be missed, and it's not automatically misconduct unless policy was clearly violated. So, no, missing footage doesn't equal automatic dismissal in court. Picture this. It's late at night. A driver gets pulled over for a busted taillight. The officer approaches, but the body cam isn't on yet, so the first few minutes of the stop are gone forever. Halfway through, voices rise. The driver insists they weren't speeding. The officer says otherwise. Suddenly, the officer presses the button. The camera finally kicks in, but the audio starts in the middle of an argument. And then, just as things get heated, the light goes dark. The body cam's off. Later, in court, the driver thinks, no footage, no case. But that's not how it works. The officer testifies, the judge accepts it, and the defendant walks away with fines and a record. The missing video didn't protect them, it buried them. So what can you do? In most states, you have the right to record your own encounters as long as you don't interfere. But check your state's wiretap laws. About a dozen states require all parties to consent to audio recording. And if you need body cam footage later, know the process. File a records request, or in some states, get a court order. Don't assume the footage is automatically yours to see. Here's the bottom line. Body cams are evidence tools, not personal security blankets. They don't always run, they don't always protect you, and the law decides if you ever see the video. If you don't know the rules, you're the one who gets blindsided. Subscribe to Legal Street Smarts, because ignorance of the law is not an excuse.
11-10-4. 2211, disregard your backup.